Hi guys, just real quick. I was worried about my plants while I was gone, so I stuck them down in a little man's swimming pool with just a little bit of water in it. And I am sorry for the chimes. It is very windy here today. But look what they did. They went crazy. I mean, they are growing like mad. I have some I have to repot today, as you can see. But my potatoes are insane. I bought this, and it was just delivered, and this is what I'm going to try the duration of our trip. The potatoes, you can see the bottom of the container, how much it's soaked up water. And I have to replant all of these today, because they are ready to go. The lettuce is coming up nicely. Let's see, what do we have over here? Everything's coming up. Everything's just going. Just going like crazy. These are all wildflowers. And I do have some in the yard as well. The onions aren't doing too well. I don't know what happened to them. Maybe they got too much water. But somewhere in this, I do have radio. I have other onions planted. And I have more at the campground that I'm going to be planting up there as well. So I have videos on those. The water bottle method is this sucker. It is perfect. It's growing like crazy. All of that has to come out of there today. So I'm going to be making a trip to one of the supply stores and picking up some more pots because I don't have time to wait for these to come from Amazon. But these little cloth bags, I love them. They are perfect if you're going to be on a trip. You can put them down in something like this, and they're going to suck up water. Now I have a few here that did not get enough water because I did not have an awl here to put a hole in it. I had already taken it up to the campground. So I'm going to have to figure a way to put holes in the bottom of these. Yeah, I'm happy with it. It's doing great. So, again, I apologize for my insane chimes with this wind, but I wanted to show you real quick. And my camera is also up at the RV, so I just was not prepared to do a video. I wasn't expecting this when I came home. So I will keep updating you. And by the way, the one with the one hole, you can see the water, the pot's a little dry, but I felt down under the bottle. And it is wet. The soil is wet. It's only dry on top. And I still have water. So, yeah. If I don't have enough of this to cover it all, I will go to the single water bottle method because it's going to be a few weeks before we come back again. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.